welcome back to my channel, the most glamorous squad of all YouTube squads. I hope that you are feeling as glamorous as you're looking today, because you look marvelous. So excuse the noise here. I am in the bathroom, but I know you can still hear the fan, and you can probably hear my little friend the cricket over there. He is chirping away, and I have no idea exactly where he is, so I can't discourage him. So guys, we are mixing up some gel with the pigments that I have. This one is green, and I am mixing up just exactly the right amount. This is the pink, and it takes me a minute, but I do realize this is not nearly enough. So we are gonna do a set that I am inspired to do by one of my favorite drinks from Sonic Drive-In. It is their cherry limeade. I have loved the cherry limeade since my time in Texas, where I was first introduced to Sonic. I am still a huge fan of Sonic and their extra long cheese coney, and they have a killer chocolate shake. Now let me just say, Sonic don't know I am making this video. I'm making this video because I think cherry limeade is a perfect summer drink, and it is summer as hell right now. So we are gonna go ahead and celebrate summer with a beautiful summer drink inspired set. And we're gonna start by putting this pink down on this nail, and I'm realizing as I'm doing the nail that I want to use the rest of that gel down there, and I've not nearly made enough, so I did take a second and mix up some more, as you can see. And now I'm just giving this a very thin layer of this really pretty pink gel, and then we're going to cure it, and we're going to repeat that on 2 more nails. Before we cure it though, we are going to come in with the tiniest little sprinkle of white glitter. And it just is going to give it that I'm a shiny, bubbly drink sort of vibe. I don't want a full sugared nail. I don't want a full glittered nail. I want those pink nails to represent the actual drink that you get from the Sonic drive-thru, with the bubbles and the awesome and the delicious. So that's what we're attempting to do. And that sprinkle of glitter on the top is just gonna help give us that shiny, bubbly quality. We've got one more little treatment though for those nails. The remaining 2 nails are going to be this gorgeous green color, and I did actually make enough of that green, and it's almost exactly the right amount actually. And we are going to also do that little sprinkle of glitter treatment across the nail. All right, our next step on these pink nails is just a very thin layer of just clear builder, and you can see I'm really pressing down. And then I've isolated some green and pink like satin glitters. They're not shiny glitters, they're more satiny color, because I want them, like I said, to look like bubbles in the drink. And so they don't quite disappear, they're just there, right? I think it gives it the perfect bubbly sort of quality, and definitely to my mind is representing the cherry limeade flavor. And we're going to do that on all 3 of the pink nails. Okay, now the fruit that we're gonna do, of course, is the lime and the cherries. My cherries came out okay, they're cute, but I wanna work on it more because I think I can get better. But the lime also, maybe not my best of the citruses that I've done in the past, but I think it came out super cute. And this is how we're doing it, just sort of spoking the lines. And then we are gonna come in and connect them all around the edge to give that sort of lime wedge effect. Okay guys, after we finish the lime, which we're gonna do one more tiny thing to that. I'm gonna base coat this nail for the cherry, and then we're gonna come in and start drawing out the cherry. And really all you're doing is making a circle, but on one side of the circle, leaving kind of a depression, sort of a little bit of a divot or a dip, if you will, because that's where the stem is gonna go. Then we're gonna fill that in, and I am going to actually do 2 coats of that. Now, while that's curing, I'm just gonna come in with some green here and outline the entire thing in that lime green polish to make it look even more like a lime wedge. Ugh, lime wedge. Alrighty guys, after we go ahead and start curing that and do the second coat of red on the cherry, I'm gonna mix a little bit of black with this red to give us a deeper version of the color. Now I have added that extra cherry on there as well, as you can see. And now in that little depression, we're just going to add that darker color because that's gonna give you even more of that shadowed look, like you would see on a real cherry, because the stem is going to go in there and it just looks more shadowed, right? And so we're making that shadowed depression with the slightly darker polish. We're going to cure that. And then I did darken the green a little bit as well with that same black, and we are coming in to make the stems that connect the 2 cherries together. After curing those cherries, it is time to come in and add some top coat. I love how these came out, you guys. I'm absolutely pleased with them. I think the glitter was the perfect choice. I think the cherries and the lime came out super cute. Everything about this makes me want to run to Sonic and get a cherry limeade. I love these nails. I love that drink. And you have to let me know in the comment section if you think I pulled off the vibe of the cherry limeade from Sonic. If you've had that drink, if you haven't, maybe you've made a cherry limeade at home yourself, because I can't imagine that's a super difficult drink to make. But this is the finished set, you guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you like it as much as I do. Also, while you're down there, let me know what you'd like to see me do on the channel, because you know I love doing nail art and I love making nail art for you. So we will see you next time for some more nail content. You guys have a wonderful day and keep it glamorous. Mwah! Bye-bye.